we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakhot ikashnong nongi kwayo sngo bhan ikashnong de lakhot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinashnong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Nomor ba ka ka bapi amnod ngiru hang ni Shua ban take up yung ganun project. Hindi ban suto bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kinigi project. Nget yung nga opi kabakado ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yangi ki konsam nga.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.
Duk ngan ong nagabanta ki jing yakhih nakabanta bangin penyo ya ka hok ke jong ki trai snong ki badai ki trai jaka jong ketu ka jaka lum sarman ke jing yakhih lada kimpat sngap ya kane ke jing yujor ke jongi ngin sedang bari ki nadu napo elaka ke jongi pyrchah ya kinong yalam jong ke elaka ki ba claim ya kane ki ba ai ya ka NOC cha kini ki factory ngin yakhih nadu pyrchah yo Dolloi bat yaki member jong ki isi balai ki ai ha ka jaka jongi claim ka jing bit claim ka jing part permission ningi so bat nang ta ngin saya khamtam lang ba ka district council ka badai ban pit ya ka khendeu ka siap bat ya ka jinglong try ka jongi kumnu ki not ban ai ya ka ni ki NOC cha ka ni ka company claim ka jing bit claim ka jing control bat ki nong chong chnong bat ki balong ki try jaka jong ka ni ka khendeu kumta la shai ru ngin mi ban le yu jor cha ki badai ki bor ki bahlor ki badai pej ya kane ka banta bat nak banta ki tu baro ki badon kti ha ka ban penmi lene ban ai jingbit ya kini ki cement plan ban pelong ya ke public hearing ngin let ban ya kendu bat ki ban ngin pan ya ka jingshai ha ka nu ka rukom bat ha ka nu ka dur baki ai claim na ka jingbit kini ki try kendeu tang kata ka jing pentip ha kane ka singi kublai shibun. It's Dini Patuet. I'm the resident of the Snoring village under the Elaka of Nongkhlieh. We came here as the residents of the Snoring and the farmers of the Snoring. We came here to in this office of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board to place our objection clearly against the public notice to conduct the public hearing for the Shree Cement Limited for limestone mining in our area, in our place. So we came here. Actually, we didn't meet the chairman and the secretary of this office, but we have submitted the documents and all the related documents here in this office. So the land where the public hearing is proposed to for the limestones mining by the Shree Cement Limited is our ancestral land, and this land is belong to us. Till today, we have not sold or leased or given to any individuals or to any company or to anyone to use this land. So we want to ask a simple question to the highest authority. How can a public hearing take place without the consent of the landowners? We are the rightful landowners of this area, of this place, Lom Serman. So we strongly state that any attempt to proceed with this public hearing without our permission is unjust and a violation of our rights. So therefore we demand that the Nongkhlieh State Pollution Control Board to immediately stop this public hearing. I've already made or stand clear. Yesterday also we have given our speech to the press and to the media also, and we are giving the authorities, the highest authorities who are concerned with this, to publish this, to issue this public notice regarding the this public hearing for the Shree Limited Cement. The times within 7 days to withdraw this process, or first to resolve the issue of the landowners. So, as we have already stated yesterday about all the issues related with this land, so we today the same, we remind our elected representative, right from the MLA, the MDC, and especially the Dolloi of our Elaka, that they are given powers to protect the people, to protect our lands, to protect and also to see our problem. We are not giving them the powers. We are not giving them the powers, or we are not allowed them to sell our land or to give in our lands to others people, especially to the company without our consent. So what I want to say here today, if our concern, if our issue are ignored, we will be compelled to take the further necessary step to protect our lands and our rights. This is our land. This Lom Serman is belong to us, not to anyone, not to that to the company of the Shree Cement Limited. It is belong to us. So we will stand united. We will protect our land and we will claim it, because this is our rights and this is our property.
Teto gat kamaman hanipor. I gat kama jingjung I notice wa ongi am chnong lum perman. I gat kama jing chiam yong I wi chiam I mu to mjuyung wa am chnong hani lum perman. Nei bah im TV unu wa chnong wa am hani lum perman. To wa da chnong lam juyung I ka. Na gat tu lasan phuli de ligis nem da de I ma hani po. Elaka Nongkhlieh wa da manale udo usnam yong ka wa da kha da pun da be yenga. Tengam juyung am chnong. The lasan phule de ligis nem wa da ka tengah mjuyung ini chnong. Ini to jing kwa yong I kami wa yeyen hane por dibenta wa I penche bi I hajing yato wa gani chnong. Ne hewan em gani kot kisla gat kamaman ira budde ni gani kam yong gani kot kisla gu yato hatara Lom Serman. Tengah naliang onga tadu ini hi kwa pan jingche yo penche bi I hajing yato wa gani chnong. Wa tengah kwa jing penche uyi wa chnong woman wa em hani Lom Serman. Ngadu ini langbau sekretari yang kala to khanabi yo ching I kam gibru du em hachnong snong rim wa em po Elaka Nongkhlieh. Tedu ini kiten kadiak ulai cibon snyopa khanachi